Hello everyone, today I want to play game Devil May Cry Part 3. Let's go. I skip some last mission because it's so hard and it more meditate and concentrate. But this part I will do it all. I still cannot use my sword, but I will take like a gun like this. Now I need to fight back. Need to fix my finger for a while for passing through it. Now they gone just a little while. This part is same like own part I used to play. I think it still be hard if I'm not meditate. It seems like spider so much, but I think it's something called abomination and mission clean. So I can passing through to the next part, but I think I still be ready to next part. Let's go. I think I can do some sort now or not. I still cannot. I only use some gun. Now gun had not belong to me now. I can use any weapon, but I need to pass into. Need to find a way out. Now my weapon is can use by now. I will jump to this and I see what it is. Your like spider. I need to find a way to find my new place. Broken sticker sword is obtained, but I still can use my bed. Need to find a way out. Okay, I can pass into this part. If you think the next part is still be okay for me. Pattern in the dark. Defeat all enemy and I don't know, I still use my weapon. Defeat all enemy is some quest of me. That dark too much. I need to concentrate by now. You just need to meditate. I think it's gonna be hard if I not meditate. See why you can put some guitar to defeat me. My quest this part is defeat all enemy. I can defeat them. I can passing to the next part. I don't know where he goes. I need to find. I see some light on that. No, he still be there. We can complete it again. Already in part of this, but I will restart to the next part 2. I don't know it can be. I think it can be like some gun and sword to play. With Cerberus. Cerberus means strong. Because Cerberus. Oh, he's strong. I need to move to. I don't know if I can pass this part, but if I cannot pass, I will be in this part for a while. I think I need to something for my. Oh no, I can be nearly them. I need to try again. If I can defeat him for this part, may be stop this part for now. Oh, it's so hard. Let be next part for this part. Thank you for watching everyone. Goodbye.